stop by. We're really super excited to share a peek at Fabric Supply, but maybe first you could tell us a little bit about the history of the business?
Absolutely. So Fabric Supply has been around since the early 1940s. Came to being in that there was an upholsterer who had a lot of people walking in looking for a little bit of this and a little bit of that to do their own upholstery. And so the need arose from that, and from there it became a larger company, starting to distribute all sorts of upholstery supplies. And that's where we are today, where we've got foam and we've got vinyls and fabrics, all the supplies you would ever need, threads and scissors and tools and just anything that you would need in an upholstery shop.
And so I'm in residential, but you guys serve other branches of upholstery?
We do, absolutely. Yeah, we serve the automotive, the marine, commercial, so really the whole gamut.
Fantastic. Well, I actually have a couple orders to pick up, so maybe we can do that and then take a peek down at the warehouse?
Absolutely, let's do it. When you call your orders in, this is where your calls come in into our customer service department, get all of the information into the computer, into an order form, and it heads downstairs to be fulfilled. So we can go down and pick up your order.
All right. So this is some of your marine stuff?
Yep, sure is. So we got marine welt, threads.
I order lots of that.
Yep, all the many colors. So we'll head back here because I know that you wanted to pick out some nails and you weren't quite sure which ones you needed. So 13 gauge and 15 gauge are the two options.
Okay, and one of them has a slightly bigger nail head, which I like for when we're wrapping spring twines, but I can never remember which one it is.
Yeah, so that should be the 13 gauge.
Oh, perfect. Yes, that's the one I like, so the twines don't slip off when we're wrapping them.
Exactly.
Excellent.
So,
that's the one I need.
Perfect.
I don't actually get, I think I'm going to take 4 boxes of those because I'm getting ready to teach a class.
Perfect.
Thank you. Excellent. All right, so what else do we have over here? I was like, this is one of my favorite sections.
Yeah.
Your C.S. Osborne
all
tools.
the Osborne tools, exactly.
Yeah, you got to go to the real supplier to get the good stuff, but all the like button needles and staple lifters. And I was surprised when you had him here that there were actually lots of tools I wasn't even aware of. So nice to know what the extent of that catalog is. Yeah,
and through some of the great conversation that we had in talking to folks, we were able to expand our line and add new items. So it's great to hear back from people and find out what it is they need, and we'll put it in the line.
Oh, wonderful.
Got lots of other supplies as we walk back.
Yeah.
Here. All the welt cords you're well familiar with.
Yep. Spray adhesive, lots of different kinds of edge roll.
The edging.
Velcro and all widths. More edge roll. So it's like marine canvas, is that what that is?
Yep, absolutely, yep. Boat cover material.
Burlap, people probably recognize that.
Yep.
Definitely a staple.
Upholstery vinyls, mostly automotive in here. So here we've got all of the foam bun stock that we bring in all of the bulk orders here before it goes over to get cut in the other section.
My kids would think that was so super fun. I kind of sort of want to climb up there.
So this is where we keep all of our baled foam scraps. So that you guys bring back your foam scraps, we bale it up in the baler, and then we send them off to be recycled, and most of it goes into making carpet bed.
Yeah, and I love that you guys do that because I think some suppliers won't, and I really appreciate we generate a lot of foam scrap, and to be able to bring it back here and know it's going to be recycled really makes me happy. Yeah, and in fact, you know what? I have a bag of recycling to bring you today from the workroom. So.
Great.
Okay, so we have lots of people ask about the colors on the foam and whether or not that's an indicator of firmness or density.
It really isn't. It's just a way that a manufacturer is able to tell one type of foam from another at a quick glance. So it even helps here so that as we're looking through, we know that this is HR 2550 and the yellow is HR 2530, and you don't have to feel and check for a label.
Sure, okay. Well, good to know. I think a lot of people starting out, they're familiar with a sheet size is like 24 by 72 or whatever, but good to be aware that you can get a whole bun slice for V-berths or larger seat cushions, just whatever it may be that goes. I know it's not uncommon for a seat cushion to be 30 inches. or more wide now in modern furniture. So
Exactly.
always like people to be aware that that's an option.
Custom cuts are an option, yes.
Any chance you have someone who could show us a little bit of foam cutting and processing?
Yeah, we sure can.
Okay, let's do that.
All right. So the bun stock gets brought over to our foam fabricating section over here, and then from there it's cut into sheets or custom cuts or pattern cuts or whatever. This section is where we actually bring our process filled orders. They get packaged up here and then shipped through the manifest systems and then out the door with Speedy and UPS at the end of the night.
Fantastic, all across the country, yes?
Exactly.
Love it. We're very lucky that we're close and we get to pull up with a van.
That's right, yeah.
Okay, great. So we got everything that we ordered. Is there any chance we can get the foam rolled up to fit in my vehicle?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Okay, excellent. Well, then while you're doing that, I'll pull around and get ready to load it.
All right,
Great.
perfect.
Thank you.
See you in a minute.
Appreciate it. Have
Thanks,
a great
Cynthia.
weekend.
Yep, you bet.